Oh, hello. Here we go again. Ooh.
Oh.
Well, look who it is. Wayne, America. We're leaving today. We gotta go get our Airstream.
Is everything in there?
Moon isn't in there.
Sequoia, lots of room. Let's do it.
Kinda need the keys to the Airstream. We're really good at forgetting the keys. Isn't it weird that you're gonna be gone for a month?
Yeah, it's not hitting me right
It's
now.
not hitting. Are you good with good sense?
Yeah, that sounds great, actually.
Yeah.
I love me a ham and cheese. Here we are.
Here we are at the Airstream, and we gotta get it ready to go.
Yeah,
Unpack everything, put it in there, hook it up, and drive to Wayne, Nebraska.
Hello.
Ty Jones! How you doing?
Yellows.
Oh, get a hug!
You could come back here.
Wow, this is nice. Look at this.
Get storage up there.
A little dog bed there.
Yep, that's for baby.
Uh-oh. Now, where are you guys going?
So to start our trip, we're gonna head up to Wayne, Nebraska, because that's where my family's at. Be there for a couple days, then out to the Sandhills, which is western Nebraska. Beautiful out there. Casper, Wyoming for a night, and then we're trekking on over to the Grand Tetons and Yellowstone for a couple days. We're gonna head down to Salt Lake City, because I need to fly out to Chicago for work for a day, and then I'm flying back home to Kansas City for a day. Oh, because there's a football game. And then I'll fly back out to Salt Lake City, pick up Angela and Moon.
And then we'll head straight to Yosemite, because I've never been there, so I'm excited to go. We'll end up in Idlewild, where we have a business meeting. And then we'll start to head home. We'll go to Sedona and Santa Fe because we love it. And then Fort Collins to visit family, home to Kansas.
There you go. And then it goes into the Airstream.
What are you using this?
That's all Moon's dog food.
Oh,
Moon
Whoa.
eats a special dog food.
gosh.
Moon's like, you guys hurry up and get done already.
Okay,
Okay, man.
It's in the back
I
seat.
appreciate
have
you.
fun.
Yeah, you
Need
too.
anything, give me a holler.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
All right, have fun.
Ty brought us the two-person canoe fold-up thing. Amazing.
Ah!
Let me go just a little bit forward.
Bop.
It should snap. Yep. Okay, hold. Hold up. Yeah, this, okay, so I think we're, ooh. I don't know. Like, that ain't gonna go. Can you move it?
Nope. Oh my gosh.
It might be because there's a bunch of weight on it.
Yeah, so we need to go back up. Okay. It's taking some
Damn it, that one's not
leg strength. Oh, a toe cramp. This is a shout out to my dad. If it doesn't go, force it.
Oh, jeez.
1 second.
Did you get it?
Maybe I go this way.
Dude,
You got it, Chris.
good. You gotta put the
Booyah.
thing in.
Now you do this and then that. Oh yeah. We're never taking the Sequoia off the trailer ever again.
Oh, yeah, right. Ah.
Oh my God, it's so good. Do you want to try this? It tastes like Sunbum sunscreen.
Oh, God, no.
Now it feels like we're on our trip.
Oh, my God.
How long did that take?
Forever.
Hour and a half?
A long time. All right, well, we have a month of towing a vehicle.
Yeah, by the end
By the end
of
of
this,
this, we should be
You're
really
gonna-
good because that was a total train wreck. But anyways, give me a second.
okay.
I got it. So, there's been a lot of research and stuff that I've seen on social media, and even some of like the conferences that we've been to about when you do the things that are hard,
Okay.
it builds you up, right? Like it's good for your body, and it's good for your brain.
Sure.
And sometimes I thought as I got older, do less because you did the hard things and stuff when you were young. But that goes against some of the scientific research, like David Goggins and them talk about in their podcasts of do the hard crap
Yeah.
because it actually helps you live longer,
Right.
you know? And RVing, it's not easy. Well, it says we're gonna get there at 8:30. So it's still 2 hours, and that's when sunset is. So we're rolling in the dock in the dusky dark. Runners, we made it. We made it. Man, you can't see nothing. There's Moon.
Yes.
As I'm going up on there, this should go like that,
Okay.
okay? And you just tell me when.
Okay. I know you got scared because you tried to go on the stairs. Oh. Yeah, that's good. You okay?
That's been a lot.
Agreed.
So
We just have to,
just take it one step at a time. And cheers.
cheers. Love you.
Love you.
I'm glad I had this food cooked up though. I got to practice at this crock pot thing because I think it was too long.
As they say, low and slow.
I thought 6 hours was slow. What was the highlight of your day today?
Aurora doing good. I'm glad she's doing good at college. It would have been rough had we gone there and she would have been like, I don't know if I want to do this.
Yeah.
But she's like, cool, see you guys later.
I know. She's like,
It's good that she's independent and strong and vibing. How about you?
I mean, of course I would say the same thing.
Yeah.
If I didn't pick the obvious, the other highlight would be me definitely getting those crossbars, sway bars. But I had leverage because I'm short. It's one of the many advantages of being short.
Yeah. I wasn't getting that low. Maybe if I was cooking in a crock pot, I'd get that low. I'm not saying that to you as if like you did a bad job.
Yes, you are.
No.
I'm getting the hint, Moon. He says, cook it low and slow.
Our first official Airstream visit is in the lovely town of Wayne, Nebraska. That would be my hometown. Where did we get a car? My sister-in-law let us borrow her car. That's so nice of her. But yeah, we're headed to big family dinner. Excited because it's gonna get a bunch of people together. Most of my family, if not all of them, live in Wayne, America. So that works out.
The place we're going to is on the other side of town.
Yep.
So
We're going to the other side of town, so we got a long drive, about 4 minutes. If you drive what direction?
oh, come on. I don't want to play.
Here we go, direction sense. What direction we going?
West.
Good
I
job.
got it.
You got it.
Yes.
All right, we made it.
Okay.
Let's have some food. Good morning. All right, wonderful Wayne, America. This is our 3-stage water filter. Nice thing is that there's no chlorine. It takes all of the crap out of the water and then makes it taste good. It's got like coconut shell hole stuff in here. So we also got a Berkey water filtration system. So after the water goes through here and into our tank, we have for our drinking water another filtration system. We have to prime these charcoal filters. It's kind of a task. This is how you prime it. Okay, we got one of the pumps primed.
I'm going to keep my eye on you, little mooner babies. You keep trying to lay in the mud, get in the lake. I'm going to make you a bed, and then you'll know exactly where you can go. Mama hasn't had the coffee yet, so the brain is slow.
Neither has Dash.
It says this fits. Why doesn't it fit? Nice.
See, you do a good job with like the heavy stuff. I do good with like the light, wimpy stuff. Mooners,
Come here.
come here. This should be fun. Get on your bed.
This is for
That's
doggies.
for Mooner baby.
This is for doggies who
No,
like to be
get on there.
outside. Come here, Mooners.
Mooners, go get on there.
Come here.
Good job,
That's
babies.
the good babies. There you go.
The canopy's gonna freak her out.
That's why I didn't put it on.
Oh, good babies.
Yeah, good babies.
Good babies.
See? Aren't they so cozy?
Well, look who it is. Thank you. Good to see you.
Oh, good to see you.
Mooners, who is that? Who is that, Moon? Who is that, Mooners?
Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Look at our little tiny home.
So how does it pull?
Awesome.
Does it?
I saw Kathy this morning. She drove past. I don't think she saw me, though.
Oh.
I know, that's such a small town.
Let's just say when I see a car, I know who's driving. I can tell you where they're going.
Gotta catch up to Mom and Dad. They're going on a walk. Oh, they have a place where you can drop a boat?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
We have a canoe. Oh, hey, who's that? That's Jill.
So this person says, absolutely love this series. Binge watched the whole thing. I only stumbled across your channel when searching for iCamper. So glad I did, as my wife and I have been inspired and have just ordered our own sky camper. I really hope your channel explodes and grows to what it deserves. Looking forward to more episodes and series from the UK.
Wow.
I know.
Oh my God.
Like, what I think is cool about escapism is like our whole point was to try and inspire people to go out there and do things.
Exactly.
And so we did, and that makes me so happy. I wanted to like wake you up last night. I was like, do I wake him up? No, just let him sleep.
I think I still have some tea, don't I?
Yeah, you do.
You guys need anything?
Not good.
I think that you are starting to feel just a little bit of guilt for killing the flies.
No.
Yes, you are.
No guilt.
I saw a little bit of guilt today.
Oh, okay.
Because we went to Ace Hardware to buy a fly swatter to kill the flies, and you didn't. You bought this little contraption that'll trap them, and then we can take them outside and let them go.
Yeah, but then it realized that it's not an indoor contraption, it's outdoor. And I think it's got stuff to kill them.
No, I thought it was a win.
You know, I also did.
Where did you get
I
that?
bought a fly swatter.
When did you buy that? You bought it both? You didn't tell me about that earlier.
Well, I thought that was just a given that I was going to buy a fly swatter.
No, I thought you had changed.
This seems like the most humane way to get rid of them.
No, the most humane way is to open the door, and I am going to telepathically give them all a chance to escape before you crush them.
Yeah.
So I at least would like to try that.
Problem is when you open the door, 6 more will fly in to every one that flies out. Mooners is pooped.
Well, yeah, I think she's exhausted.
It's been a good trip to Wayne.
Yeah, it has.
Mama, you
Okay,
gotta give me a hug.
Chris wants to do hugs.
Yep. Love you.
I mean, the whole reason we came this way, because we could have just gone straight west on our journey, but the whole reason we came this way was to see family.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and everyone seems to be doing good. We're gonna go west.
To the Sandhills, which are famous.
I don't know
Well,
if they're like famous.
in your family.
If you're from Nebraska, you know the Sandhill. One of our stabilizer bars popped off.